What we've got here are some fresh imports. We've got a BMW R100RS done in the Motorsport colours. It's a lovely example. A few little bits just need tidying on it. And next to that, BMW R65. Also pretty good condition. This one only showing 22,000 kilometres. As you can see, the BMW looks pretty smart in the typical Motorsport colours. And then also we've got a Honda XL125, pretty much a field bike that's been used as, but not too much to actually get it going again. Engine runs, just quite a lot of cosmetic, check all the bearings, check all the electrics, that kind of stuff. A few parts missing on it, but nothing major, can't be done. Next to that is an XT500. This is in lovely condition. It's got limited mileage showing on the clock because this was a restoration, and I think he restored the clocks judging by the peening that's been done around the outside of that. So new faces, and he's reset the mileage on it. But yeah, we'll get that running in a future video, as with the 125 and the two BMs. In between a brace of XTs, we've got Honda. This is an XL500S, also fully restored. This is beautiful. This one has been done to a really good standard. As you can see, wheels, hubs, everything. Yeah, sprockets hardly got any dirt on it as well. Lovely bike. We'll get that running and going. Do all the usual checks on it, the kind of oil, filters, check all the electrics are working, got spark, ignition, all that kind of stuff. It was running when it was picked up, but obviously, we just need to go through it and check it all. And next to that, another XT500. This one's in pretty good condition. It's, as you can see, all there. It just needs, clocks aren't original by the look of it, but hey, I'll check into those and see what they are. And then we'll do the same with this one, get it started, get it running. Over the back, another XL500S. This one, not so good, but it's a running bike. But again, we're going to do all the same with future video, pull that one out and do all the usual kind of checks for electrics. Next to that, we've got a Honda VF400R. This iconic 400s of the 80s. This is in pretty good condition. There's a bit of plastic work that we've got to do on it, get the thing running. Again, future video for that one. And next to this, a couple of XLs. There is on the far side an XL185, and then closer is a 250. Few parts needed still for those. As you can see, bar grips, things top end of it. There's also no brake pedal, but we can sort all of those, sort out the rear lights. Again, another future video, get those running. So that's the current stock. We'll run through them as we start pulling them out. And also we need to get all of these registered as well. So we've got loads of photos to do, get some dating certificates. Some of them came with documents already, so we can sort those out and get them back on the road. Watch out for future videos, subscribe, keep an eye on what we're up to. Lots of stuff to come.